No. You mean you here, right, Gary? Hi there, everybody, and welcome back. Today it's going to be in 7 it is about to be suspecting for my you should cabinet ice solution. You buys me cabinet. I'm barely a Russian guy. You I too you make me punishment. It is excellent. It wasn't an accident. And I from a little bit of quick contact eyes in me. I saw a meal and a man we changed you share not Google. God see you man. It's called like these. It's called Hall Monitor. Wish me luck, Mrs. Puff.
Oh, and I would be SpongeBob, are you okay?
If it did speak to
So, tartar sauce. I guess I won't be needing this.
Hi, little poopia. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is so excited. You should say remember baby well being a trying come poop. Ah! Hi, well, let Squidward win. Be king Gilmore if he doesn't wake up. Target sighted. Huh? Yeah. Loser. Kitty kitty go! I see green. Fig. SpongeBob, what are you doing here?
You can't win that award if you don't get up for work.
Ah! Huh? Sit it out! SpongeBob!
Truce.
SpongeBob, I can't take it anymore. And then we have finally, look at the time. I suddenly even a little bit bees of hopeless and best to begin in number part 2. I should anything else I never seen here from gotten from here would never have a cancer.
Wow, what'd you do?
Okay.
Dost thou talketh to me?
Good one, Squidward.
Ash not chocolate to me.
Scoff not, young squire. Thou hast mistaken me for another.
I am Squilly.
Royal fool. Or at least I was until I royally messed up.
Wow, what'd you do?
I'm sure.
I was the king's favorite fool. I made merry mirth and laughter. Then I told one bad joke and the king had a stroke. Now I hang from ye old rafter.
Here's some guy whose name was I'm looking for. I'm starving.
Don't hold thy breath.
Whoop. Better get some mud. I think I left the water.
I can
I'm starving.
won't be
Around here.
What's that?
the evil wizard's dragon is here. See the townsfolk scream with fear. See the townsfolk try to run. I can tell this won't be fun. The dragon will torch everything, everything in the valley. Hospitals, schools, retirement homes, and even the old bowling alley.
It's a bowling alley.
Sorry.
And why have you brought this?
Remember your blood pressure. You wouldn't want another leech treatment, would you?
Meow.
Your Highness, the Dungeon Master has brought the prisoners you asked for.
Well, don't just stand there.
Sure. Your Highness.
Last chance, fool.
Oh, thank you, sire, thank you.
You will be disappointed.
Oh, hear me, king, for I must sing how you are the greatest at everything. Like letting a dragon burn down a
Silly but horrible sound.
was and pretty.
Just all my fault to hear some pretty.
We're bad, you are to blame. Now hang your kingly head in shame. La 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 la. The king is dead, the king's to blame. He hangs his king.
Me had a tree. La 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 la.